Guys, so today I'm here to share with you how to do an afro with clipping extensions, and this is what I have. So stay tuned. This is going to be a very quick one, so let's head right into it. First, you need your clippings, and then you need your wig cap. I'm using a stocking cap, and I'm also using a stocking net. And so what you do is to fix the stocking cap and the net, and then you start to clip your clipping extensions on it. So this is not a substitute for a wig, but if you have a clipping extension lying somewhere that you don't know what to do with it, this is absolutely something that you can try with your clipping extension. I love it when I when my hair is in a cornrow. So what you do is just to clip the clippings on the stocking nets, as you can see me doing in the video. And this is going to be an afro wig, so we are going to be covering the front part as well. And what I'm doing is just trying to get the hair to fix the to get it into right shape, on my face. So what I'm doing is just clipping the extensions on it. Now the clippings I'm using is a 160, is a 16-inch, and then it is two packs of the 120 gram, but I didn't use the two packs. I used I think one and a half. And what I do is just to clip the clipping extensions on it. Now this clipping extension is the kinkiest type, and it really mimics our natural hair. You would not identify, or you would even not detect this is not my natural hair if I don't tell you it isn't. And I love these clipping extensions because they are very versatile, and you can do a lot with it. This is also made with 100% human hair, so you can dye it, you can do anything that you want with it. And then yeah, so I'm just trying to get the hair to shape with my hair. Now if you have 12 inches, it will be a perfect afro, but this is 16 inches, so this is what I'm trying to do to get that perfect afro. So what I'm doing is just try to get it to fit my hair and then look realistic, like a real afro would do. And there you go. This is what I have. Guys, let me know what you think about this clipping extensions and this afro with this clipping extension. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your friends if you love it. I really appreciate that you share this video, and then you don't forget to leave a comment, because it helps a lot with engagement, and also it really helps me when you like this video, so that YouTube picks it and shows it or recommends it with other people. Thanks a lot. I'll see you same time next week. Bye.